Welcome to this instructional video on taking a test. On this video we will cover the interface features used while in your test, the types of questions you will be answering, and the use of the text editor. After logging in, you will be presented with an informational page with buttons at the bottom. These buttons allow you to take a test, view your results, and access training material. Clicking Take a Test will show you any practice tests or exams you have access to. Clicking View Your Results will show you the tests you have taken and their results. And finally, clicking Access Training Material will show you any training material that you have access to. In this video we'll be concentrating on taking a test. So let's go ahead and click Take a Test. Once you've done this, you should see a list of the tests available to you. Clicking the title of the test will show information about the test, and clicking Start Test will take you through to your test. The test may take a moment to load, but once it has, you should see your first question displayed in the center of the screen. At the top left of the screen you will see the name of the test you are taking. In the center, the time you have remaining, and on the right should be a Finish button. Between this and the question you should see a progress bar. This shows the question you are on and also has Next and Previous buttons to either side of it. Below the question are a series of circles. These can be used to navigate between questions. The circles also serve as a quick reference for the status of each question in the test. These statuses include Unanswered, Answered, and Flagged. Clicking the icon towards the top right of the screen will flag a question. This can be used to quickly identify the question you are on using its status. Along with the circles at the bottom of the screen, you can also view the statuses of questions by expanding the Assessment Info section to the left of the screen. As you can see, this lists each question by number. You also have a Filter Questions option, which allows you to show only one type of status, for example, those which are unanswered. Assessment Info can also be minimized for when you are not using it. When you are ready to finish the test, click the Finish button in the top right. This will show you your progress so far and ask for confirmation to finish the test. There are 6 different types of questions you may be asked to complete. These are multiple choice, short answer, essay, stencil, ranking, and fill the gaps. Multiple choice questions show a question along with a list of possible answers. These are easily selected by clicking them with the mouse. Short answer questions provide a small but simple answer box for you to type an answer to the question. Essay questions give a larger answer box with formatting options. These help to format your answer. Stencil questions are similar to essay questions, though these will have partial information in the answer box. The rest will need to be completed. For ranking questions, you will see a series of elements. These will need to be put in the correct order. Simply dragging these with your mouse will alter the order. Fill in the gaps questions show a sentence with key words missing, along with a series of words at the bottom which can be used to fill the gaps. Drag the words from the bottom to their location within the sentence. Some questions may have media in them, such as images or audio. This can be either in the question, or for multiple choice questions, can also be in the answers. Some questions may reference additional resources. These will be shown as case studies to the right side of the screen. As you can see, there can be multiple case studies listed for a single question. Navigating between these can be done by clicking the name or the arrows to the left and the right. Case studies can be hidden and shown by using the arrows, similar to those used for the Assessment Info. The following options are available to format the text of your answer. Please note that each one has a keyboard shortcut, and this is shown when you hover the mouse cursor over it. For the purpose of better showing the text editor options, we have used the full screen option to make it fill the screen. Undo and redo can be used quickly to undo changes you have made, and then reapply them if needed. Text can be formatted as bold, italic, underline, and strike through. Any formatting you've applied to text can be removed using the Remove button. The Superscript and Subscript buttons can be useful for formulas. These allow you to add subscript and superscript text to your answers. The Font Color button allows you to change both the font color and also its background color. The Bullet Point and Numbering buttons allow you to format lists as needed. The Paragraph and Font Alignment buttons allow you to align the text where you need it to be. The Insert Table button can be used to easily add a table with the required number of rows or columns. When entering text into your table, you will see a series of options appear. These allow you to insert or remove columns and rows, and also to delete the table itself.